There are 7 pixie cuts making the rounds in salons right now. All genuinely stunning, all genuinely flattering, but one of them, cut number 4 specifically, is on a completely different level. The kind of cut that makes a stylist stop mid-conversation and ask who did your hair. I'm walking you through all 7 today, each one built for a slightly different face shape, hair texture, and personal style. But I want you to stay all the way through, because number 4 has a very specific technical detail behind it that genuinely explains why it photographs and moves the way it does. By the end of this video, you're going to have a real, clear favorite, and you'll know exactly why it works. Hey there, and welcome back to Ageless Style Secrets, the channel dedicated to helping women over 60 look polished, current, and completely confident, without needing an expensive stylist or a wardrobe budget that keeps you up at night. If you're new here, welcome. I'm genuinely glad you found this video, because the pixie cut is honestly one of the most transformative, rejuvenating choices a woman can make, and today we're covering 7 genuinely beautiful variations in real detail. And if you're already part of this community, welcome back, get comfortable, because this list is about to become your next salon reference. Before we dive in, if this is your first time here, please subscribe before we continue. This channel is built specifically for practical, honest beauty and style advice for women exactly like you. And you won't want to miss what we cover next. If you're already finding this valuable, go ahead and tap that like button. And drop a comment letting me know if you've ever worn a pixie cut before, or if you're considering one for the very first time. I want to see where everyone's starting from before we get into these 7 styles. Alright, let's get into pixie number 1, because it's a beautiful place to start. Pixie 1, the classic soft rounded pixie. Let's start with the pixie that started it all, the classic soft, rounded pixie, featuring gentle layering throughout that creates a soft, slightly rounded silhouette rather than sharp, angular lines. This cut sits close to the head at the sides and back, with just enough length left at the crown to allow for a small amount of gentle lift and texture. This particular style works beautifully for women with softer, rounder face shapes, since the rounded silhouette of the cut complements rather than competes with a naturally softer jawline. It's also remarkably low maintenance, often requiring nothing more than a small amount of texturizing cream worked through damp hair before air drying, making it one of the most genuinely effortless options on this entire list. Pixie 2, the textured crop with side part. Next, a slightly more structured variation, the textured crop featuring a defined side part rather than the more symmetrical styling of our classic pixie. This cut incorporates more visible texture throughout, choppy, piecey layers that create genuine movement and dimension, styled to fall gently to one side rather than straight up and back. The side part detail here does something genuinely clever. It creates a subtle diagonal line across the forehead that many women find remarkably flattering, softening the forehead area while adding visual interest that a perfectly symmetrical part doesn't provide. This style works particularly well for women with straighter, finer hair textures, since the defined part helps create the illusion of additional volume and dimension. Pixie 3, the longer, swept-back pixie. Our third variation takes the pixie concept and extends it just slightly, the longer swept-back pixie, featuring more length left throughout, particularly at the crown and front sections, styled to sweep back and slightly upward away from the face. This creates a more dramatic, sculptural silhouette compared to our first 2 options, while still maintaining that same short, low-maintenance foundation. This particular style genuinely photographs beautifully, since the swept-back styling creates lovely dimension and shadow across the top of the head, and it works especially well for women who want a pixie with a bit more versatility, since the additional length allows for slight variation in styling from day to day, depending on how it's brushed and directed. Okay, quick pause here, because I want to know which of these first 3 has caught your eye the most, the classic rounded pixie, the textured crop with a side part, or the longer swept-back version. Drop the number in the comments, 1, 2, or 3. I read every single one, and I genuinely love seeing which styles our community gravitates toward most. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's a wonderful time, because we cover this kind of detailed, practical beauty and style advice every single week, real information you can bring straight into your next salon appointment. After subscribing, go ahead and tap that like button too. It truly helps this video reach more women who are considering exactly this kind of transformation right now. Alright, let's get into Pixie number 4, the one I promised you at the very beginning. Pixie 4, the asymmetrical sculpted pixie with precision layering. Here it is, the cut that genuinely deserves its reputation. The asymmetrical sculpted pixie with precision layering. And I want to walk through exactly why this specific style stands so far apart from the others on this list, because it comes down to a real, specific technical construction most stylists don't take the time to fully explain to clients. This cut is built using what's called precision point cutting, a technique where the stylist works through the hair in extremely small, controlled sections, cutting each individual section at a slightly different angle rather than working with broader, more general sections the way many standard pixies are cut. This creates dramatically more nuanced, layered movement throughout the entire haircut, movement that responds beautifully to natural light and catches shadow in a way that flatter, more generally cut pixies simply cannot replicate. The asymmetrical element comes in through intentional, deliberate imbalance, one side of the crown built up with noticeably more height and volume than the other, creating a dynamic, sculptural quality rather than the more uniform, symmetrical silhouette of a standard pixie. This isn't random or accidental asymmetry. It's precisely calculated by the stylist to work with your own natural hair growth pattern and part preference, meaning the finished result looks effortlessly, naturally asymmetrical rather than deliberately styled that way each morning. Here's what makes this cut so remarkably photogenic and dimensional compared to our other 6 options. The combination of precision point cutting and intentional asymmetry means light catches the hair completely differently depending on the angle you're viewed from, creating genuine depth and dimension in every single photograph, rather than one flat, static silhouette regardless of angle. This is precisely why this specific cut tends to generate the strongest reactions, both in person and in photographs, since it genuinely looks slightly different and equally stunning from every single viewing angle. This particular cut also tends to work exceptionally well for women dealing with more noticeable thinning at the crown, since the concentrated, intentional volume on one side creates significantly more visual density and fullness than an evenly distributed, symmetrical approach would achieve with the exact same amount of actual hair. It requires a genuinely skilled stylist to execute properly, since precision point cutting demands real technical expertise, so this is absolutely a cut worth seeking out a specialist for, even if that means visiting someone new for this particular appointment. Daily styling for this cut, despite how sophisticated the underlying technique is, remains genuinely simple. A small amount of styling cream or paste worked through damp hair, fingers used to direct volume toward the fuller side and crown, and either air-dried or given a very quick pass with a diffuser attachment. The complexity lives entirely in the cutting technique itself, not in the daily maintenance required afterward, which is exactly what makes this cut so remarkable. Genuinely elevated, dimensional results with a daily styling routine that takes under 5 minutes. Pixie 5, the Pixie Bob Hybrid. Moving on to our 5th style, the Pixie Bob Hybrid, sometimes called a pixie shag, a style that bridges the gap between a true pixie and a slightly longer bob. This cut features noticeably more length throughout compared to our previous 4 options, particularly at the sides and back, while still maintaining shorter, textured layering at the crown for that signature pixie lift and movement. This particular hybrid style works beautifully for women who love the low-maintenance appeal of a pixie, but aren't quite ready to commit to the shortest possible length. It offers genuine versatility too, since the additional length allows for slight variation in styling, tucking pieces behind the ears, adding soft waves with a curling wand for special occasions, or simply air drying for a more relaxed, textured everyday look. Pixie 6, the Curly Girl Pixie. Our 6th variation deserves special mention because it's specifically designed for naturally curly or coily hair textures, a shape that celebrates and works with natural curl pattern rather than attempting to smooth or straighten it into a more uniform silhouette. This cut is shaped specifically to allow natural curls to spring and settle into their own natural formation, with layering calculated based on how much each individual curl is expected to shrink and settle once fully dry. This particular style requires a stylist genuinely experienced in cutting curly and coily hair specifically, since curl pattern significantly affects how the finished cut ultimately sits and shapes itself. When done properly by a stylist with this specific expertise, the result is a genuinely stunning, full textured pixie that celebrates natural texture entirely rather than fighting against it, often requiring remarkably little daily styling beyond a simple curl-defining cream applied to damp hair. Alright, one more quick pause before we finish this list, because I want to know if Pixie number 4 genuinely lived up to the build-up for you. Drop a comment letting me know if that precision point cutting and asymmetrical volume explanation makes sense of why that particular style photographs so beautifully. I love hearing when a technical detail like this genuinely clicks for our community. And if this video is giving you real value, please take a moment to subscribe if you haven't already. This channel exists specifically to help you understand these exact kinds of technical details every single week. Like this video too. It genuinely helps more women considering this exact transformation find this information. Okay, let's finish this list with our 7th and final style. Pixie 7, the ultra-cropped precision pixie. And finally, the boldest option on this entire list, the ultra-cropped precision pixie, featuring the shortest overall length of any style we've covered, cut extremely close to the head throughout, with minimal length left even at the crown. This style demands genuine confidence to wear, since there's simply nowhere for the cut to hide. Every single angle of the face becomes fully visible and celebrated. This particular cut tends to work most beautifully on women with strong, well-defined bone structure, since the extremely short length places enormous visual emphasis on the cheekbones, jawline, and eyes. It's also remarkably practical, requiring genuinely minimal daily styling, often nothing more than a light application of pomade or wax worked through damp hair with fingers, making it one of the fastest, most effortless styling routines of any cut on this entire list, while still delivering a genuinely bold, striking visual statement. Bonus section. How to choose between these 7. Before we wrap up, let's talk briefly about how to actually narrow down between these 7 genuinely different options. If you're newer to short hair and want the gentlest possible transition, start with Pixie 1 or Pixie 5, since both offer a softer, more approachable introduction to short hair styling. If you love drama and dimension and are willing to seek out a genuinely skilled stylist, Pixie 4 is absolutely worth the search. The results genuinely justify the extra effort involved in finding the right person to execute it properly. If you have naturally curly or coily hair, Pixie 6 is specifically built for you. And attempting any of our other 6 options without accounting for natural curl pattern likely won't deliver the same beautiful, celebrated texture this specific cut provides. And if you're someone who genuinely wants the boldest, most confident statement possible, Pixie 7 delivers exactly that. Regardless of which specific style calls to you most, bring reference photos to your consultation, and specifically ask your stylist which of these 7 techniques, precision point cutting, asymmetrical volume building, curl-specific cutting, or simple classic layering, they feel most confident and experienced executing, since this single question genuinely determines how closely your finished result will match the vision you're hoping for. Closing. So there you have it, 7 genuinely beautiful pixie cut variations, the classic rounded pixie, the textured side part crop, the longer swept back style, that remarkable asymmetrical sculpted precision cut at number 4, the pixie bob hybrid, the curly girl specific pixie, and the bold ultra cropped option. Each one bringing something genuinely distinct to the table depending on your hair texture, face shape, and personal styling preferences. The pixie cut truly is one of the most rejuvenating, confidence-building changes a woman can make. And now you have 7 genuinely well-explained options to bring straight into your next salon consultation. If this video helped you find genuine clarity and excitement about a potential pixie transformation today, that's exactly why we create videos like this every single week. So here's what I'm asking. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications, so you never miss a new video the moment it goes live. After that, give this video a thumbs up if you're considering one of these 7 styles for your next cut, and drop a comment telling me which one you're most drawn to. Share this with a friend who's been thinking about going short too. She'll genuinely thank you for it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the very next video.